Hello guys and welcome to CodeNote. CodeNote is a note for programmers so that they can take some code snippets and add them to their database. Here we can log in. Here on the main page you can find some notes that I made earlier. You can add here a new note. Let's say for example that I have a code from Stack Overflow, so I can just copy it, paste it here. This is Django, and you are limited to 50 characters. Django snippet. Here you can add tags. Django already exists. Source link. This is by default public, so everybody can see it. You can change it to false so that you can make it private for you only. So the basic idea here, you can view multiple nodes at the same time. You can hit to view, and here you go. This is all nodes you have. You can back. You can edit if you want to make some changes. Let's say edit and hit edit. Now successfully added a code node. Now here in public code blocks you can find 3 nodes that I made it public. So here I can edit only my own. I can't edit others' nodes. So here I can edit. I change it to private. So if you go back again, you can find only 2. Here is the main menu, CodeNote. This is the general nodes you have. Here are the public code blocks. You can find other people's notes. Here's daily notes if you want to add some notes as a reminder for you for your day. Let's say let's finish this video. Here, added successfully. You can view it here. Just refresh. And here it is. You can if you finish this task, you can simply delete it. And here weekly and monthly goals. You can add here your mission and vision. Let's say you want to accomplish something in 1 year, and here's the monthly goals and weekly goals. So just as a reminder for you. And here you can add a feedback for me if you want to make some changes to the website or you have a feedback. So that's it for today. Thanks again. Thanks for watching.